Hey, I wanted to do an update on this undersized mill that I made. Anyway, the guy at the machine shop that did the wing spars for me, I asked him to check this out and see what size hole it made, and it's a 6.628. So it's still a little big because it's supposed to be a 5/8. 0.625 is what I was hoping for. But it's 628, and that was, after I resized it. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. I bet you if I did it a little bit more, it would get down to 625. So, but I guess the mill isn't designed to just go down and come up. It's designed to go down and then move. But anyway, that's the update on it, and I think it's a pretty good idea. If you want to make, undersized mill. Check the other video. Anyway, it's Anchak Machine Shop in Cathedral City. I'll put the guy's name is Ron. He's a really good guy. I didn't think he would do this, but he went ahead and did it for me. I got a piece of aluminum out of it too. So anyway, Cathedral City. I'll put the description and everything, contact in the description, and then you can probably mail him stuff too if you want. Anyway, that's the deal on it. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.